Step into a world of flavor and imagination. Welcome to our channel Palate Paradox, Cook with Love. I'm Viku, and here, every recipe is a work of art. Ready to turn your kitchen into a culinary playground? Let's create something extraordinary together. Dish of the day: red snapper with grilled vegetables. Do you know, red snapper is a type of fish that is popular in many cuisines around the world. It has a mild, sweet flavor and a firm, flaky texture. The fish is typically recognized by its reddish-pink skin and can be found in a variety of dishes, from grilled and baked to fried or in soups. Red snapper is often praised for its versatility and is a great choice for many recipes. Interesting facts: longevity: red snapper can live for up to 50 years. Habitat variety: while they are commonly found in warm, tropical waters, red snapper can inhabit a range of environments, from coral reefs and rocky areas to sandy bottoms and mangrove swamps. Color change: the color of red snapper can change after it's been caught. The vibrant red coloration can fade to a duller brownish hue if the fish isn't consumed fresh. Varied diet: their diet is quite varied, including smaller fish, crustaceans, and squid. This adaptability in their diet helps them thrive in diverse marine environments. Sensory adaptations: red snapper have highly developed sensory organs, including well-developed eyes and an acute sense of smell, which help them detect food and navigate their surroundings effectively. Red snapper with grilled vegetable. Ingredients: for the whole red snapper: 1 whole red snapper, about 2 to 3 pounds, cleaned and gutted. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 lemon, sliced. 2 sprigs fresh rosemary, or 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. 2 sprigs fresh thyme, or 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional. 1 teaspoon paprika for extra color. Method: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it. Pat the whole red snapper dry with paper towels. Rub the fish inside and out with olive oil, then season with minced garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, pepper, and paprika if using. Stuff the cavity of the fish with lemon slices and a few sprigs of rosemary and thyme. Place the fish on the prepared baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork and the flesh is opaque. The cooking time may vary depending on the size of the fish. Red snapper with grilled vegetable. Ingredients: for the grilled vegetables: 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1 zucchini, sliced. 1 red onion, sliced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 4 to 5 baby radish, sliced for garnish. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Broccoli. Cherry tomato 1/2 for garnish. Salt and pepper to taste. Method: while the fish is baking, heat a grill pan or outdoor grill over medium-high heat. In a large bowl, toss the sliced vegetables with olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Grill the vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they are tender and have nice grill marks. Once the fish is done baking, remove it from the oven. Carefully transfer the whole red snapper to a serving platter. Serve with the grilled vegetables on the side and do plating as you like. Advice of the day: master the art of seasoning. The right balance of spices and herbs can elevate any dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Trust your palate and don't be afraid to experiment. Flavor is your playground. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my content, like, comment, share. Palate Paradox, cook with love.